Hey everyone, so back on the bench, I got another video here, just a quick follow-up on this Heathkit IT-11 capacitor checker, capacitor bridge. This is currently under construction. I'll tell you more about that later as I go. I've already got a video, you can check that out, about just the intro to this particular project. I decided to get started on this, and then I sort of came in, up to this point and then started recording. But really there's not much to it other than, putting these components on this sub chassis for the time being, not wiring anything up yet. The wiring part is what I'm going to talk about today. As anyone who's ever built one of these knows, Heathkit supplies you with this. Oh gosh, I'm going to guess. I haven't really counted all the wires. I have it all documented somewhere else. I won't bore you with that, but there's about 20 or so wires in this bundle that Heathkit has already done up for you very nicely, with the string, what do you want to call this, the tie system that they use, with all the proper breakouts and the measurements and everything. All one needs to do is insert this and run the wires to the proper either terminal strips or components or variable resistors and solder them in place. Well, like I said in the previous video, OCD kicked into high gear on this project, and I decided to make my own harness, redo the harness, I should say. There's some parts of it down there. I'm waiting on a spool of white with black stripe wire to come in, and I think that's coming in a few days. Once I get that, I'll measure that into this, add it. We'll get all this all broken out properly. All the other colors are here per the manual and assembly instructions. Everything's basically a solid wire. This is 20 gauge, with the exception of the striped, I'm not sure what I can get my fingers on here. The striped wire is Teflon and it's stranded. Very difficult to get solid wire anymore in 20 gauge with a stripe color system on it. So I'm using stranded for the stripe wire. That said, this is the next project. That's the harness in its sort of pre-build form. And I will bring you along for the ride on that one as well. This is all part of this sort of IT-11 capacitor checker build series, if you want to call it that. Still learning a lot about making YouTube videos. Still dealing with the iPhone as part of the camera system, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not sure if I'm going to get more serious with this or not, but yeah, that's it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.